For our power juice today, we're going to use 6 small tomatoes. If your tomatoes are bigger, maybe 3. We're going to use a lemon, which I peeled, and we're going to use a handful of parsley. I washed it very well, and I took off the stems. You don't have to. The juicer would have done a perfect job. Just make sure it's well washed. Same with the tomatoes, washed well, okay? I'm going to add a pinch of salt to this. That's completely optional. I like to put a little salt in this green juice. So we're gonna mix it. To our health, guys. Couple things about this juice. The tomato and the lemon are acid, you know, so if you have gastric problems, please ask your doctor before you take it. Also, the parsley may cause bleeding in some women. I personally wouldn't take it if I was pregnant with the parsley. Ask your doctor also before you take it, okay? Perfect. This is so delicious. It's making me pucker though. Oh, but I feel so clean on the inside. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.